Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. Oh my goodness, it feels great to be back. All of the videos I shared during Thanksgiving week were all pre-recorded, so it's been about 2 weeks since I've actually sat down and filmed, so it feels great. I'm about to do this again though with Christmas because I'm going back to Texas soon. But anyways, enough about that. I'm so excited for the holidays. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving and I am so looking forward to Christmas. I actually have a Christmas tree in my office. Y'all can see right there. I literally just put it up like an hour ago in terms of like putting it together. So I have to go get ornaments and everything. Hopefully in a video soon coming up, I will be able to show y'all a nice fully decorated tree. And also this is my first Christmas having my own tree in my office. So y'all know it's gonna be decked out in pink and girly stuff because the other trees in the house have to be unisex and the hubs has to like them, and I got a pink tree, so your girl's excited. But anyways, let's get straight into this video. As you can tell from the title of this video, I will be working with the brand Volition. I have worked with their products before. I absolutely love this brand. They are such an easy brand. First off, the aesthetic is super cute and girly, so if you're a super cute and girly girl, you're gonna like the way this product looks. But more importantly, they actually work really well. The products work fantastically. The last product I reviewed from them was their turmeric face polish, which I adore. I still use it to this day. I never take it out of my shower. It's a very aggressive scrub. I still use it once a week, but it does the job to brighten the skin up, and it's amazing. So that has nothing to do with this video, but just thought I'd throw that in there because it is one of Volition's best products. So today we have their Yaupon Tea Glow-Awakening Moisturizer. Now, disclaimer, I don't know if I'm saying that right. I really hope I am. I'll put the spelling of it right here. If it is wrong, I truly apologize. If anyone knows how to phonetically spell it out, please put it in the comments below. That is not a word you say every day, so definitely hope I'm saying that right. But I have been using this moisturizer for a little over a week, so I'm gonna put it on and share all those thoughts with you in this video today. So if you're ready to learn all about this product, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now, let's get started. Alrighty, so I have my entire skincare routine done right now so that I would be prepped and ready just to put a moisturizer on. Moisturizers are always the last step to any skincare routine. So I actually did a full exfoliation, a cleanser, I put my serums on, I put some Floritin CF serum, which is a fancy term for vitamin C, I put some under eye cream. Like, I am living my best skin life right now, and all that's left to do is put some moisturizer on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and before I actually do that, I want to share some info about the product, what I've been liking about it, and what it's actually meant for doing. So first off, this product retails for $39, which I believe it's 2 ounces. Yeah, it's 2 ounces. Great product size for the cost. Most face moisturizers that are actually effective and actually work on your skin will cost a lot more that are this size. I would say this is easily worth like $60, $70. It's only $39. So I truly think that that's a great price for this product. Also, one thing I wanted to mention actually before we go any further is I have no obligation to make this video. This video is not sponsored. I know influencer stuff is cracking down, so I just want to make sure that y'all know this is not sponsored. These are my own 100% true opinions, and I'm not being forced to make this video. Yeah. All right, where were we? So this product is meant to brighten and awaken your skin. So hands down, I think this moisturizer is best for the morning time because it truly is meant to depuff your eyes, to brighten the skin, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. If you are a college girl or you are a working lady boss and you are getting not all your beauty sleep that you need, I would highly suggest this product because that has been the exact effect that I have noticed happening on my skin. Do I feel like a different moisturizer would be better put to use at nighttime? Yes. So I would not run for this for nighttime, but in the morning, if you're really needing an immediate brighten up, a depuffing, basically a glow up very quickly. That's what this guy has been great for and helping me for. So I am going to pull up their website real fast because they had a lot of good info on the website about this that I just wanted to read to y'all. Oh, BT dubs, this also has 5-star reviews around the board. So I'm not the only person that likes this. Just thought I'd throw that out there. But it says Yaupon, how do you pronounce this thing? Ooh. The tea, it's the new matcha. It's potently caffeinated to revive and awaken dull skin for a glowing, refreshing complexion. This moisturizer is a tired skin's waking dream to become energized with a cooling finish. It minimizes the look of puffiness and fine lines in addition to visibly brightening and plumping the skin. So that's basically what I just said it does. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on now only because like my skin really wants it. It has a very, very, very light scent to it. It honestly, it smells like the tea. I don't know what Yaupon tea smells like, but I would imagine this is what it smells like because it doesn't have a flower scent. It's very minimal. So if you are sensitive to scents, I would still say this is fine. Like I have to put my nose in the tube to even smell it. So it's not a strong scent at all. The consistency of it's kind of funny actually. It feels, oh, so hydrating. It feels like jelly. It does not feel like a cream. The closest resemblance I can think of for you to compare it to something is if you watched my blue light skincare video, the blue light products, that was like a jelly cream, very jelly. Like it literally looked like the blackberry jelly I have in my refrigerator. This resembles that. So it's not like a fluffy cream. It really feels like jelly. If you shake the bottle, the whole thing's just gonna move like a can of cranberries. Have Thanksgiving still on the mind. So yeah, it has a really cool consistency. I feel like it's ultra hydrating and it does, oh my God, it feels so good. Let me just take this moment to myself for a minute. Okay, we're back. As I was saying, it does exactly what it says it does. It hydrates really well, it brightens the skin, it depuffs puffy skin, and it plumps up the skin. So I feel like it's a really quick way to get the life back into your skin. Honestly, I feel like that's the common theme and trend with Volition's products because the turmeric brightening polish that I mentioned earlier in the video that I absolutely love does the exact same thing. Whenever I use that, my skin shade, it brightens like 5 skin shades lighter because it is so good at just like removing dead skin and bringing the freshest skin that you have to the surface. And then this is like the cream version of that. So all the products I've tried have a very brightening-esque feature to them and I really like them. So I mean, this is gonna be a real short, sweet video because this is the only product I had to talk about today. And I really have nothing but positive things to say about it. I think I'm pretty safe to say like most of Volition's products are great because I've tried 3 of them this far and I've loved them all. So this is their newest product, which is why I figured I would go ahead and test it out for y'all to let y'all know if it's worth it. I totally think it's worth it. 100% feel comfortable using this on myself. I would buy this for my mom, my sisters, my friends, which is why I feel 100% positive suggesting it to you guys because y'all are like my little internet fam and I would never suggest something that I didn't like to y'all. So I really like this. Plus, I didn't really show y'all the bottle, but it's really pretty. Like their whole packaging is rose gold. The cream itself is pink inside. It's very girly and aesthetically pretty. So if there is someone in your life that loves the pink and the girly stuff, this would also be a great Christmas gift, stocking stuffer. I mean, anything like that, this would be great for. Or if you just want to pamper yourself, like I would buy this for myself, just like I did. So anyways, yeah, I love it. I'm gonna link it down below so you can check it out. I will also link the skincare products I used prior to putting this on top, just so you know exactly what I did with my face before I applied this. But really any simple skincare routine that's gonna clean your face, any cleanser, any exfoliator, any serums, they should all work with this cream. So other than that, guys, I know this video was super short, but I hope it was helpful to you if you were on the fence or if you were interested in purchasing this. I hope you have a fantastic day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.